Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to create talking head in circle video in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, then import your webcam video. Drag the imported webcam video to the timeline. Adjust the video to fit the desired size and position for a webcam style shot. Go to the Annotations tab, select the Shape tool, choose the circle shape and drag it onto the video timeline. Resize and position the circle to perfectly fit the desired frame for your talking head. Right-click on the circle layer and select Duplicate or use the shortcut Ctrl+D. Right-click on the icon beside the first circle layer. Select Alpha. This will make the first circle layer transparent. Adjust the thickness of the duplicate circle layer to create a border around the transparent circle. Apply the remove color effect to the duplicate circle layer. Use the color picker to select the color of the original circle. This will remove the background color from the duplicate circle, leaving only the border. Select all layers on the timeline. Press Ctrl+G to group them. Right-click on the icon beside the group layer. Select None to allow you to move the entire group freely on the timeline. Now you have a talking head within a circle that can be easily moved and positioned within your Camtasia project. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.